Okay, these two laws are actually probably the least useful in that you really don't need them necessarily. You can get around them by using all the other laws, but we'll still prove them and they're still kind of nice. But if there were any I wasn't going to memorize, these would be the two that I would definitely not memorize. All the other log laws, make sure you do memorize them. So these two, we can just solve them all or prove them all directly just by starting on the left-hand side, and we'll go all the way through to the right. So I'm going to start log base a of 1 over x is the same as log base a of x to the power of negative 1, since x to the negative 1 is 1 over x. Roll down the negative 1 and we get negative log base a of x equals, now I'm going to use the law where we split it apart, and this becomes negative log x divided by log a. The negative, it doesn't matter if it's on the top or the bottom, so I'm just going to move it to the denominator. So this is the same as log x divided by negative log a. I can roll that negative up onto the a, so I get log x over log a to the power of negative 1. Then that a to the negative 1 is 1 over a. Now I'm going to use the change of base rule kind of backwards, and you can change this log x over log 1 over a to log base 1 over a of x, and we're done. For the second rule, same sort of thing. I'm going to start with 1 over log base b of a, and I'm going to go all the way until we get to the right-hand side. So I get 1 over, so I'm going to split the log base b of a up into log a divided by log b, which anytime you divide by a fraction, you invert and multiply. So this is the same as 1 times log b divided by log a, which is just log b divided by log a, which is the same as log base a of b. So you can see that we just went from left to right on both of these using log laws that we already have.